Hello, we're just going to show you a quick demonstration of how to use ElectroFlip's little card readers here. Some people have asked questions and we're going to try to provide those answers here. So this is the reader. You can put this little reader on a sort of lanyard or your keychain. It's kind of nice. How to use it, open it up. You'll see there are two slots here. It might be hard to tell on the camera. One is for a MicroSD memory card. Another is for your traditional USB port slot. I'll show you how to put this in. Goes like so. Again, I'll do that again. Goes like so. Contacts facing down and the name brand facing towards you while you slide it in the slot. Push. And then you're good to go. So now you'll see it's nice and flush here. The card's not sticking out. To take it out, use your nail, pick at it, and it pops out. It's as simple as that. And that is how you read your microSD memory cards. You can even put it back in the casing with the memory card and store it for later. Thank you. We'll show you how to do it on the computer now. Alright, so now as you can see, I have that memory card in there, and we're going to go ahead and insert this into the USB port of this computer. You'll see the status light blinking a few times, and when you copy data back and forth, you'll see that status light illuminate and blink as it's copying data back and forth to your computer. But it's as simple as that. If you have questions, contact us. Thanks.